lot of manufacturers that we deal with struggle with inefficiencies, just general inefficiencies that could be through unplanned downtime or supply chain bottlenecks, or a lot of what we heard in the last few years is labor constraints. Finding talent, especially skilled labor. There's some hesitation in the industry, especially the middle market manufacturers. Again, many times when we go into our clients, the biggest constraint is the lack of data. To me, the biggest trends really shaping manufacturing right now are those AI-driven automations, those advanced IoT-enabled analytics, and really the shift towards smart, connected supply chains. Industry 4.0 isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It has to align with companies' business objectives and strategy. One of our great services right now is what we call